Hi guys, this is Miley. Welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about the most favorite 15 items that I got from Amazon, and they are my favorites. And today I'm not going to show them really the actual products like this. I'm going to just link my order page or order link here because they are big and one or two items are here, but more than that, like some of them are like really big and there are a lot to say, so I can't gather everything and keep it here. So let's get into the video. The first thing is massager. It's a handheld massager. I saw that first at my best friend's house, and then she gave it to me. Like she gave a massage with that, and then I was so impressed because like I need a massage frequently because I get stressed really quick, and then especially my neck and my shoulders and the back. Like I need help. Like I love massages too, but this is something small and I can keep it at home, and so that is something like I keep it here. But the one she showed me is a little bit different. That's a different brand, but I accidentally ordered this. But that is, I'll link both of them here. So this is a little bit bigger, that is even smaller and lighter, but this works perfectly. Like here, I'll show you. Oh, now you can see it. See? So I just go over slowly here, and at the back it works amazing. And especially I put some oils or something, and then I do this, or you don't even need to put oil. It works perfectly all right. This is handy, and you can get a quick massage within 10 minutes, like in between work. I used to put this in a box and then keep it in a proper place. Now it's permanently at my desk because when I'm working, when I go to bed, just right here, just I can just use it and then go to sleep. The second one is chopper, vegetable chopper. Like it's a small thing, like you can cut onions, carrot, beans, chili, garlic, ginger. Like you can chop anything and everything, tomatoes. Like it made my life so much easier. Like it saves so much time. I can batch make things and then put it in a container and keep it in. It really works for me. And then I bought like I think 70 pairs of earrings, like that one I'm wearing right now. The quality is not that great if you're in a beachy place, because when I was in Playa del Carmen I used few and they changed the colors in few days. But then like I was in a beachy place, the salt water and the salt breeze, it's going to do that. But these things I'm using now, like they are lasting for like more than a month, so it's good. And also for the price, 20 something dollars, I think $25, 70 pairs or something. I'll put the link here, so you can I'll put the link down or here or somewhere, so you can check it out. And different types, hoops, hangings, like beachy hangings, so many different types of studs, so many different types of earrings that you can wear it with so many different outfits. So that is one thing that's useful. Yeah, it's worth the money. There are like 4 Fitbit bands in one pack. I'm not wearing my Fitbit today. It's really nice just because I started itching because the Fitbit was like in contact with my wrist for so long, so I have to take it off and I have to clean it with the alcohol wipes. So I need to replace a couple of them. Also, like after a while the band get looser. That's how I broke my Fitbit screen. So after that I bought like a pack, so it's worth it. So I can change the colors, or I can even change them. Next one is meal prep compartment boxes. Like I bought 20 of them because we like to meal prep ahead of time. Most of the times we like to meal prep ahead of time or for a week and put it in the freezer, and then we take a couple of them every other day and put it in the freezer to heat it up the next day. So that's how it works. Also, you can save a lot of time, energy, and the vegetables because the veggies or produce that may go bad. The other one is this tripod that I'm using with this camera. I can use it for cameras or even phones. This is very lightweight, but it goes up to the height of like a regular big tripod, but this is extremely light, so you can use it as a tripod to film with your phone or your camera. It saves your energy, and it saves a lot of space. Like you can actually put it in the side pocket of your backpack and go. So that's something really easy, and I love it. And the other one is laptop stand. Since I do have a MacBook Air or any other laptop, like when you're putting in the table or on your lap for a pretty long time, it heats up. The laptop heats up and you hear the fan sound, it slows down. So you can use a laptop stand and prevent that from getting heat up. And I'm using it, and my husband is using it. We do have altogether 3 or 4 of them. Yes, we do have so many laptops. And so yeah, that's one of the most important things. So you can just slide them and then slap them, and then it's going to be in a compact size. And the biggest object that we own is the red flag wagon. I know I have shown that in my Instagram so many times. Like we take Dia and we go for groceries and load everything. Dia sleeps in them when she comes from school, when she's tired, and then I'm gonna put the hood, and then it prevents you from a lot of sunlight and even rain. So it's really nice and it's very useful. So that one thing that saves our life. I would prefer this more than a stroller. Even if you have 2 kids, like they do have belts, so like even if you can keep 2 kids there together, or even 3 kids if they are small enough, and buckle them too. So I would highly suggest wagon instead of a stroller after a certain, if they can sit straight, like after a few months, like let's say 8 or 9 months, and if they can sit straight and their head is up, and I would prefer using a wagon. That's a multi-purpose, not just for kids. So like I always get asked about it, like when I go out, even in Mexico, when I go out, even older people come and ask me, like, where do you buy, like, because it's very useful for us. Like we can have our own trolley, like during the pandemic time or something, you don't have to use the public trolley or something. You can take your own stuff. And the other one is my personal item, that is my travel makeup bag. I have shown it in other videos, and this is the one I got recently, like 6 months ago or so. So this contains my skincare and my makeup brushes, everything all together, and I can zip it up and I can keep it as a handbag. It's really convenient. I can hang it in the door, I can hang it in my shower curtain rod, like whatever that works. Like it's really easy. Next one is bike shorts. Like I don't bike, I go for walks, but this is very convenient. Normally I don't buy a lot of things off of Amazon when it comes to my clothing. When I was in India I did, but not in Canada. But these ones are very soft, very stretchy, very comfortable. Like you can use them at home, gym, just for a walk, like school drop-offs. Like it's really comfortable, and it comes above my belly button, so up to my waist, so it tucks your tummy into, and also yeah, it gives you that shape. Like you don't have to just wiggle around. This and a simple tee would go a long way. This hair massager is really nice. Personally I didn't buy it, my sister bought it and sent it to me when I was in India. Maybe I could have got it there, but at that time like everything was locked, and we can't buy anything other than essentials. So she sent it to me, a package that contains this hair massager too. It comes in 2 packs, and you can use that just before taking a shower. You can put oil or serum and massage them, and then leave it for some time and take a shower. Also I do use this in the shower when I'm using my shampoo. Like I use this too, because I put oil at times, not very often. When I was in India I put a lot of oil, I would say, but here nowadays I don't put much. But like I use this when I'm shampooing. It really gets in. And this glass bottle my husband uses, like he's using it for more than 2 years, 3 years. Like he bought it in India off of Amazon, and he's using it for a pretty long time. And for Dia's last birthday, we celebrated in Canada, and then we just came back to Canada at that time, and I bought these decorations, and they are only $18, and they are so nice. It's a balloon decoration. Once you set up everything, it's so worth it. Like, you can't, like, when you go for a deco person, they charge a leg and an arm. Yes, most of the time it's worth it, but this gives exactly like that. It takes up some time for you to do the blow up the balloons and stuff, but when you have people at home, and if you guys are gonna do it together, it's more fun the day before the birthday. Like, we all did it all together, and Dia was playing with the balloons. It's a good memory. We do buy the working chair, office chair everywhere, like everywhere, because you cannot take it on the flight. So in Canada, in Mexico, in India, like, we pretty much, like, if we are staying somewhere more than a month or something, like, we are going to buy that chair, because my husband is very tall and he's big, so he needs that support. Otherwise he's going to have a neck, shoulder pain and the back pain, and we can't afford to have that. Most recently we bought this in Canada, like, so that's the link I'm gonna put it. And the last one is the kids craft kitchen, or the kids kitchen setup. So we bought it we bought it for Christmas last year, and she loved it. She saw some kitchen items in my friend's place. They do have son too, around her age, so she was in love with it, and then we bought this, and she was like, she spent almost like half of the day there. Like, she was chopping and making sandwiches, stir fry, cooking, and then she would serve us. Like, it's fun. She honestly misses that. It has more options than the one that you see it in IKEA. IKEA has a kitchen too, that's a little bit cheaper than this, but this has more options, more compartments. So yeah, that's why I chose this. Okay guys, this is all. It's a lot of things, like, some of them might be useful for you, and if you like it, just give us a thumbs up.